ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಏಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನಿಂತ್ಕೋ. ಹಾಯ್. Good evening everybody. We are going to Baga Beach. I guess it's about 20 kilometers from here. It's 12 kilometers from here. So this is the last place that we are going to visit in Goa. Tomorrow we are returning to Bangalore. It's too tiring to shoot in beaches because we have got all these gears with us, like bag and helmet and everything. So if I want to shoot a time lapse or anything, where do I keep all this stuff? Right? That's the main point. A lot of cops today. This is the first time I'm seeing traffic police in here. So this beach that we're going to, this is a bit known beach in here. So we're expecting a lot of people there. I personally don't like crowded places, but still we are going. Oh, another one. Endeavour, man. Oh, I just love that car. I love that car and Octavia RS, and there's one more. Yeah, these two are pretty much my favorites. Nice tires though. KA19. This is, I suppose, Mangalore. We're in a street right now. There's a ton of people here, a lot of shopping things and stuff like that. I expected this for sure. I knew this would happen. ये वापस देना पड़ेगा? नहीं देना चाहिए. This beach is a lot crowded. A lot actually. Oh my god, I can see a ton of people already. I'm wearing a shoe. Not that much of like wow kind of beach. It's the same thing as the one which we saw yesterday, but that was a bit beautiful, I guess, because it wasn't crowded as this one. Helmet bichu, bro. Helmet bichu. That's it, the beach show is done. We are going back to our room. Yeah, it was good. It was nice. Apart from the crowd, it was good. Rados, beer and biryani. Huh. Yeah, I'm tired of eating chicken and whatnot. Whew. I'm done. We're gonna have some veg food today. Alright, so this is our last night in Goa. We are returning to Bangalore tomorrow. Morjim? I don't see Morjim. Feed me more. Bro, you have to feed us, okay? I'm not gonna come and feed you. White owl. I know that. It's in Bangalore too. Ooh. We're still going, by the way. Oh my god, how many kilometers is this? 10, right? And upon that, 5,000 speed breakers. I'm so annoyed. I can't go to my room in peace after having peace from a location. What was that supposed to mean? I don't know, but yeah. Oh, my hands are aching, bro. You see this? Oh my god. The main reason why I wear gloves is my hand sweats a lot. So that's at the top, okay? That reason is at the top. And then my hand aches. I don't know why. Pains.